Hi, thanks for watching. I'm Nancy, and today we're going to be going over a recipe for documentary film. First ingredients you need: 1 hairstylist with a compelling story to tell, 7 clients willing to participate, 2 video cameras, 1 still and 1 roving, 1 to 2 camera persons. Film hair sessions every 6 weeks for a total of 1.5 years. 1 3 terabyte hard drive. Transfer all mini DV tapes onto hard drive. Begin transcribing in order to log footage. 1 executive producer. 1 to 2 associate producers. 1 editor. Funding. Directions. Make your pitch for donations so that your film can move forward. My documentary is a very personal story with universal messages that anyone who's ever had a haircut can relate to. This is my first attempt to reach out for support. Your help is vital for me to finish this project. Any contributions, tax deductible, are much appreciated, no matter how great or small.